All right, Miss Hannah, what are you doing? Ooh, I bet you're getting so cold. We're going to go in.
Are you cold?
Say, Daddy, I think I'm stuck.
Daddy thinks he's stuck too.
Are you coming? As you can see, Daddy's been in the snow. Daddy, watch her. She's crawling. Come on, Hannah.
All right, come on, baby.
Come on, Hannah. Ah.
Turn around.
You got it? Turn around. Remember, feet first. Feet first.
All right, big girl.
Yay, Hannah. Good job, pretty princess.
You ready to go inside?
You ready to go bye-bye? Dust off.
Where you going? Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Kisses?
Give Daddy kisses.